Welcome to PerfectMIND, adding and working with pages. New from PerfectMIND, you can now add your pages right through your settings menu, as well as move them around so you can rearrange the tab order. First, what you want to do is go to your name up at the top right-hand side, and then click on Settings. Next, go over to the left-hand side and click on Pages. Here you will see your three basic menus: Money, Office, and Social Site. You may have additional menus depending on the customization of your software. Each page is organized into a menu. Right now I have the Money menu open, but I could open up my Social Site menu if I wanted to. When we're looking at our Social Site menu, if we highlight over the name, we can add a page or edit that menu. Editing the menu will allow you to change the name of the menu or adjust the profile settings. We'll talk about that a little later. We could also just add a new page. When we're adding a page, we give it a tab name and a title. We can also set who gets to see it. When we're working with the page, we'll be able to design it right through this screen. Once we've placed the page and we're happy with where it is and it's been functioning, we can always go through this screen or the main tab screen and click on Edit to edit the page. Once you're done, save your new page. When your page is in there, you can move around where you want it to go. So maybe I'd like my albums page to be closer to the top. I can click it, hold it down, and then drag it to its new location. Maybe I want it between Product and Lounge. You can see the little green bar represents where the tab will go. Voila, there it is. You can do this with any of the menus. Now maybe you want an additional menu, for example, hidden pages. So pages that you want to be able to link to, but you don't necessarily want to have a tab for. To do this, we can go to Add a New Menu. The name could be something like Hidden Pages, for example, or Landing Pages. Description, you can put something in there if you want. Set a Startup Menu means it'll be the first menu set for whatever profile you pick. So that's the next thing we're going to talk about, is what kind of profile you're going to pick. Who do you want to see this menu? So if you don't want the public to see the menu, but you do want them to see the pages, that's fine. You can just leave it as global admin only, or maybe global admin, admin, and teacher, or something like that. If you do want them to be able to see a menu that you're creating, maybe a classes menu or something like that, you could say, okay, I want the public to see it. Doesn't matter if they can't see the menu. If you make the page visible to them, you'll still be able to link to it and they'll still be able to see the page. Once you're done, go ahead and save. Lastly, you can see what kind of menus and pages your different levels of profile can see. For example, View as Global Administrator. You can see everything because you're the Global Administrator. There are other options as well. For example, Public. Maybe you want to see what the public has access to. Right now, we can see that the public only has access to the social site and the page is listed underneath. Only from PerfectMIND.